Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. As the people of Rivers State wait with bated breath on what is the future of their state following the issuing of notice of impeachment against Governor Simi Fubara, a senior advocate of Nigeria, and others within the legal profession have said that people have nothing to fear as long as the state chief judge is there, who is believed will do justice to whatever claims that the Professor Wike lawmakers are making against Simi Fubara. This is because the state chief judge is going to lead the investigation, and that state chief judge is believed to be a man of integrity who has been standing behind Fubara thus far, and as long as he continues to be in charge in line with the constitution, no matter the level of allegation, which many Nigerians who have perused through this allegation have described them as unfounded, this man is going to ensure that the right things are done. And from the way things stand, Fubara will be able to weather the storm with this state chief judge, who cannot be removed by Professor Wike lawmakers. That is what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, with the Rivers people waiting with bated breath, wondering what is going to happen next, following the issuance of impeachment notice by the Rivers State House of Assembly, led by Martin Amaewhule, and who are largely Nyesom Wike, or loyal to Nyesom Wike, the former governor of Rivers State, who is now the minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. They are asking which way, and that way is what this channel is going to discuss right now. The way out, and the way out is very clear by what the lawyers have said. And one of the lawyers that has given a clear picture of how things are going to unfold with the starting of the impeachment processes is a senior advocate of Nigeria, Obiagu, who dispel all fears that the assembly cannot override the state chief judge. You know, when the assembly, with their braggadocio, they order the clerk to publish the notice of impeachment in 3 national newspapers. People were thinking that, are they going to override the chief judge, who is supposed to set up a panel to investigate whatever allegation they are going to do? Because they were not even talking about the state chief judge, they were talking about the clerk should publish it in the national newspapers. But the legal authorities have come out to say that whatever happened, that petition, that notice must be presented before the state chief judge, who will set up a panel to investigate the allegations of impeachment that the House of Assembly has made. Now, this senior advocate of Nigeria, Obiagu, said that if impeachment proceeding against Governor Simi Fubara begin, that the chief judge of Rivers State will be in charge of overseeing the investigation. So it is not the Rivers State House of Assembly that will oversee the investigation. It is the state chief judge that will make that call. Now, he made this statement when he appeared on TVC News as he was addressing the decision of the Rivers State House of Assembly to investigate the state chief judge, who they alleged, the Rivers State House of Assembly alleged that the state chief judge, Simon Amade, allegedly falsified his age. And this Obiago, this senior advocate of Nigeria, emphasized that the assembly under Martin Amaewhule does not have the power or the authority to interfere in the tenure of the chief judge. So they cannot stop the chief judge. They cannot cut short his tenure. So he is going to superintend over this investigation. And this senior advocate of Nigeria also explained that the assembly's action was setting the pace to start impeachment of Simi Fubara. But he emphasized that this state chief judge will be the person that will be in charge of the investigation. The investigation will not be led by Martin Amaewhule, despite all the grandstanding and all the noise in the media. It is the state chief judge that will lead the investigation, and that the state chief judge cannot be removed by Professor Wike lawmakers, and they cannot override him. They cannot go over his head to be able to carry out impeachment, or they will just be doing a kangaroo impeachment without following the due process of the law. And he emphasized that the assembly cannot remove the state chief judge. Not even the governor can remove the state chief judge. It is only the National Judicial Council, the NJC, that has the capacity, the authority to be able to discipline any judge in Nigeria, including the chief judge of a state. Now, this issue, I also spoke with another senior advocate of Nigeria, who incidentally didn't want his name to be made public because of his own relationship with some of the characters. And he did say very clearly that there is no way that the assembly will be able to override the state chief judge. Because I threw the question to him. I said, now that the assembly has directed the clerk of the assembly to publish in 3 national newspapers the impeachment notice, without mentioning that they should copy the state chief judge, does it mean that they want to override the state chief judge? Does it mean that there is a way the constitution make a leeway, a way out? Because these guys are manipulative. They know the law, the way they can go over to override. Do they have any overriding power whereby they can say, okay, if the state chief judge was not able to do so and so, the assembly after so and so days will now have power to pass impeachment without the state chief judge? And I was told by the senior advocate of Nigeria that they cannot do that because they don't have that power to be able to sit on the impeachment. Their job is to give that notice, and it is now left for the state chief judge. If the state chief judge found that what they are alleging was true and give a go ahead, then they can carry on their process of the impeachment. So the ball is in the court, is in the court of the state chief judge. And the state chief judge is the man they are trying to rubbish by telling the DSS to investigate the man's age falsification allegation. And senior advocates of Nigeria have said that that is not the responsibility of the DSS. The responsibility lies with the NJC to investigate any allegation against any chief judge of a state. So you can see that the state chief judge is in a better position to be able to deliver justice to Governor Simi Fubara and to the people of Rivers State. Because you and I know that all these things they listed now as the reason why the Simi Fubara committed impeachable offense. Nigerians were not told all these things before. These are just recent events. If you look at the 19 points of impeachment, these are just recent events. But they didn't tell us what Simi Fubara did in December 2023 when they wanted to impeach him, which led to self-help by Simi Fubara by demolishing their assembly quarters, the assembly building. So you can see, based on what these senior advocates are saying, there is no way they are going to impeach Simi Fubara without Simi Fubara and his deputy, Ngozi Odu, can impeach them without the investigation being led by the state chief judge. And given the state chief judge being a man of impeccable character, there is no way that he will allow them to get away with all these cooked up impeachment allegations, no matter who had given them the impression that this allegation can pass the test of time. Many people, both in Rivers and in Nigeria, know that all these things are politics. They are politics, and not that the man has committed any offense. It would have made more interest if they had said that Simi Fubara was siphoning the money of Rivers people. They were not able to point, even when they said that he didn't a budget that was not approved, he was allocating resources, he was appointing people. I would have thought that they say, we found out where he diverted money of Rivers State. It would have made a lot of sense. But nothing like that. They have not accused him of stealing the money of Rivers State. They have not accused him of money laundering or anything of significance, except that they didn't get approval to appoint commissioners. He was implementing budget, 2024 budget, without approval by them. When they, at the time that the man passed that budget, their own assembly was unrecognized because they defected from the party that brought them to power to another party and all that. I don't want to go into that, but this is just for people who are concerned in Rivers State and elsewhere about the future of Simi Fubara. I think his future is secured because the state chief judge is believed that he will deliver justice to everyone at the end of the day. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.